Hello everyone, I would be reading a poem written by my father. The title of the poem is My Train is Running at its Fastest. My train is running at its fastest. It will reach 2000 anytime. I see the track in 2000, just 1/4. No more of it I can find. Yet, as driver of my train, I do not have any brakes. I console my God, do not fear. He shall put the track before we near. Passengers are just contented. They know not millennium is near. They are just too content. Seeing them, I lose all my fears. He shall provide the track. Who provided Abraham the ram? I am sure of his provisions. I know the track shall not end. This poem has been written by my dad. It is about his life's journey. As you see, the poem was written in the year 2000, and basically in this poem the track is reflecting his job, and in this poem passengers is me and my brother, and God is our mom. So the whole poem is going to be in 3 to 4 parts. Continue watching. Thank you.